Greetings, organics of Earth. My name is Ratchet. I am the Chief Medical Officer of the Autobots. And I have a public service announcement. Ahem. We recently learned of your Covid-19 pandemic, and as a medical professional, I recommend the following 5 practices. Number 1. Hands. Wash them. You organics should be doing this anyway. Seriously, it's gross. Number 2. Elbow. Cough into it. If you do it into your elbow, your body will begin to fight the virus faster. Number 3. Face. Don't touch it. Honestly, this is just overall good advice. Don't touch it! Number 4. Space. It's a vacuum. You organics can't survive in it. Stop trying. Oh. Stay away from each other. And 5. Home. If your home has not been destroyed by a 4-million-year-old war, then stay in it. If you comply with this, I guarantee you will find it much easier for your squishy planet to cope with the virus. That concludes this public service announcement.